What is going on, y'all? It is your boy Rish. How y'all doing? Hope you're doing okay. Today we are doing a unboxing. You guys could maybe tell by the shirt a little bit. It could give you guys some hints. It was just like perfect timing. It was like the same day I was gonna buy it, and I went to Ross and I seen this and I was like, it was meant to be, and I gotta wear it for the video. Your boy got himself a TIG welder. It is a PrimeWeld 225 TIG welder. I am super excited, man. I've always kind of wanted to learn to weld and know how to do it myself, so I don't have to rely on others and wait for people or spend all sorts of money. It was like $940 or so. $940 like with tax. And so I went to Northern Tools and bought this welding helmet. It looks decent. It has 2-year warranty, so whatever. Then I went to Harbor Freight, got this, and this from Northern Tools. They could weld stainless steel, steel, aluminum, probably cast iron too or something. I'm not too sure. I'm learning. I don't know how to weld at all. I haven't done it since maybe sophomore year in high school. Quite a few recommendations on this welder itself, and homie Jovin's been leading me the way of what to buy, what I need, kind of show me some stuff. Let me just start unboxing this. Let me not show my address. Your boy busted his ass yesterday. Went on my longboard to, just to hop on and just cruise over to the car. And a truck was coming through the lot kind of quickly, so I had to stop because I seen him kind of like last second. He was kind of going quickish through the lot. I put my foot down and it's like a brand new blacktop, and dude, instantly I slipped and busted my ass because it just rained, so super slick, and I just landed straight on my tailbone. I fell hard, y'all. I just noticed because we were gonna record this video, my CPL filter decided to crack. Seems like that's the only damage, and I'm thankful because I didn't want to crush my camera or my stabilizer or nothing like that. But let's get back to the video. If you hear me grunting, old as f moving a little bit, I'm sorry. It just happened yesterday. The left ass cheek hurt. A lot of the accessories. God. I lost my flip flop.
OSHA.
Ah, damn, guys. It's actually pretty huge. So yeah, your boy bit the bullet and decided to buy a welder for myself so your boy could learn. I can start fabricating, fixing my stuff. Sure enough, I have a pretty bad exhaust leak right now. This is gonna be the start. I just have to buy the stuff like the tank and the gas and some other accessories and shit. But yeah, overall it's gonna be like $1,200, $1,300 startup. It's a really good welder, and it's gonna get the job done for a lot of things that I need, especially startup and whatnot, but it's not like the best welder. There's welders $4 grand, $5 grand, whatever, but this is a really solid one. Just unwrap it so you guys can just see. Boom. Look at all that shit. Hefty. This thing's a whole kit, the whole pedal, the whole torch, everything, man. It's like a whole 9 yards, man. This shit came within a couple days too, which is hella sick. Bought it off Amazon, but it's from the PrimeWeld store itself, but they're selling it on Amazon too. Package. This is the second one that came. Boxes on boxes on boxes. It's like Christmas over here, bruh. Sort of gauge for PSI and how much argon you're using or something. I'm just looking through it. I don't know exactly what everything's for. Attachments. All your hoses. Got the pedal. Nice, pretty nice. Standard and TIG welding. Look at that. Got the whole torch. I don't know anything, what it's called, any of these attachments, what the proper terms are, so bear with me. We learn on this channel, we learn as I go, show you guys my mistakes, my progression, and hopefully you guys can learn as well. I'm gonna try to regurgitate as much info as I get and through my learning process, so maybe you guys could eventually learn too, or not feel intimidated to make the jump start, because hey, we just gotta do it, we just gotta do it. Gotta get our skills set up and start learning shit. Your boy got a welder, It's not everything just yet. I still needed some, you know, other things. Yeah, $930 welder, the whole kit, the whole shebang, and I am super excited. Need to get a grinder. Jovin's gonna be sending me, so shout out to you, homie. We'll get to it. This might be just a vlog day in the life. Whatever, man. We just record and do our thing. So I'll talk to y'all later. What is going on, y'all? So, update, I don't know where we left off in this video, but got the tank today. I was on the phone with Jovin. It was a quick, like, 3-minute, 5-minute convo, because he was, you know, doing his thing at school and whatnot. Couldn't talk for too long, but he gave me kind of like just a rundown of the machine. Today, I went ahead and we bought a vice grip, because, you know, we need to hold shit. This is going to be needed. I have to drill a hole into this table. I want to get a welding cart, so I can put the welder on it and the tank, and it'll be set up right there. So yeah, it's kind of what I'm dealing with at the moment. We're buying a couple things, needing, you know, just getting the basics, get everything flowing. So yeah, with that being said, I'm update you guys some more. I'm just trying to clean up a little bit, figure out this, and yeah, just kind of go from there. It'd be nice if I would be able to learn today, but I'm not finding any extension, you know, for this in stores. We'll figure this out now, I guess. What is going on, y'all? So I don't know where I left off. I haven't picked up the camera in like, you know, a day or two. There just hasn't been a whole lot going on. TSX has been down because I was telling you guys, or showed you guys, I'm not too sure. I have a pretty bad exhaust leak, basically almost snapped in half. I got my whole welding set up. I haven't used it yet. I've been getting a bunch of pieces together. Like, I've had the welder and stuff for a couple days. I could have tried it out, but my main problem was the power source. The problem is I don't have a designated outlet for that one and a breaker, so can't have anything else on it, because like the welder would need all the juices. So I had to go order a 25-foot cable extension cord, this thick guy. I think it's like an 8 gauge. You can make do with 8 gauge. I think ideally is like 6, but seen a lot of reviews. People use it for the welders, and you know, it's solid. So yeah, it was like 75 bucks on Amazon. Not too bad. I could use the full power source of this instead of the 110, so it's gonna make it a lot easier for me, and it's just something I had to do because I'm about to plug it into the dryer. That's the only outlet that's possible, so I needed that extension. And bought a couple other things, but I got some more tungsten, or however you say it, off Amazon. Got some like blades, things to chop. Oh, I got some, you know, filler rods for stainless steel and aluminum whenever I get there. And I went to a metal place and I got myself a couple slabs of stainless steel and a slab of aluminum. So, you know, I could practice different little thicknesses, cut it up and do what people do with the whole welding shit together, like a slab and slab and tacking it, then, you know, having one at 90 degree, whatever. I'm trying to get things set up. Got to pick up my girl from work soon. Kind of want to try to maybe practice today. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. We'll see how it goes. I really do want to practice today though, and just see how we could do. But with that being said, I'm gonna update you guys. I never showed you. I installed this thing. It's not too shabby. Use whatever random bolts I can for the meantime. It's gonna help me out holding shit like it already has. And I just put this on just so, you know, it doesn't damage parts fully. It's coming along nicely. Went to Harbor Freight, got a couple of things, micrometer, and right angle magnets, but I'm not gonna be really using those for right now. I want to learn how to, you know, freehand things, tack things up, and just doing it by hand first before using magnets and shit to help hold. Mostly everything's set up. I need to get a cart so I can just free up a bunch of table space, have it on the side, and that tank like on the back of it, and everything will be solid. So yeah, I'll have to look into that, or maybe I'll end up making my own. Who knows? Who knows? Your boy decided to invest in himself.
Again?
Your boy decided to invest in himself. God, I need to do that again. Your boy decided to invest in himself. Oh my God. Take 3. Your boy is gonna have to invest in himself.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.